Hi, this is Chris Kane with AVPro Global. We're here live at our CEDIA 2025 booth, 1501. My gosh, we want to show you some exciting new products. There's a group of people in front of us. We're going to have to push them out of the way to get our way in here. So, guys, I need to push. Can I push you out of the way? We're going to do a quick interview. All right. And we made our way in here to see the highly sought after Hyperion line. Hyperion is a pre-pro and a receiver line that's a combination of what makes AVPro special. AVPro HDMI technology with a full EDID management on HDMI, a network switch, Dante ports, everything the professional integrator needs to support their installation. On the audio side, we have AudioControl's legacy engineering using ESS DACs, GaN transistors on the amplifiers, and just an audio performance that's desired by many dealers. We have additional features like menu GUIs, programming, Dante ports, and the network switch, which I may have already mentioned, that make this really an ideal processor and receiver package for any customers. For any more information, go check out www.avproglobal.com. Chris Kane signing out.